Okay everyone, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna save our soft top using this right here, this Armor protectant. And so it works really good. You can buy it at Dollar Tree or any Dollar General store for $1. This saves your soft top from cracking, from ripping, and from looking super dry, and it gives it a nice black, nice black glossy finish, just like as if it was brand new. So I suggest you get this. This is one of the best things you can get for the cheapest price. It's amazing. I tried it out already once. I'm gonna show you how to put it on and apply it and rub it in. And here we go. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need, it's just something to apply it on, and then you're gonna need something to clean your soft top right before you apply everything on. So we're gonna take a bit of some wipies out, that'll be fine, and just scrub all the dirty spots you have, like bird poop, anything that you don't want to be scrubbing in your hard top with the Armor All. Any dirt or debris. So basically what you want to do is you want to take your Armor All protectant and start from one side. This is kind of like your spray painting. Don't just go crazy everywhere. If you notice, right here is like a little white. I don't know if you can tell, but once you put this on, it completely disappears, all that white dryness of your soft top, and it just extends the life of everything. So basically, just spray it on. Try to be nice and even with the sprays, right? You take your scrubber and you just rub it on like that, just like that. You see it gets white, it'll turn black. So if you notice, just look at the difference between how nice and shiny and glossy this looks and brand new compared to how dry this part looks. See, very dry, and I don't know if you can see the whiteness on it. Try not to put too much pressure because you don't want to put too much pressure on your beams or whatever. You don't want to put wear and tear on your soft top. So just apply it smoothly, and then you can take your scrubber, just dab it on. I mean, you don't really necessarily have to use this. I just use it because it's what I had. You can use like a rag or whatever, but I find this useful because it's nice and soft, it's big, it applies big places. So we're gonna go from front all the way to the back. Try to dab on consistent, just like as if you're trying to spray paint something. See, if you notice how this is black now and this is white, you see how the white went away. So you don't have to be worried about any of that. You don't want to do it in different places because then you have spots that you will miss, and then eventually whenever it dries, you have one spot really dry, looks really white, and then one spot really nice and shiny. You don't want that. So try to do it as best and even as you could. You're gonna need at least 2 bottles for this. But that's what I mean by trying to get every spot, because if you notice, you still see the white, well, the dryness, and then the nice and dark. But if you notice, if I go down like this, you can see it just a little bit. You see it? The difference. It's amazing. Get away with using 1 bottle, but I mean, hey, for $1 extra to get everything on point, I mean, you can't go wrong. soft top, best thing you can use. And I'm done. It took about 5-10 minutes most, but 5-10 minutes of your time, $1 of your wallet is worth every penny to save about $500. And that's only if you're gonna do it by yourself. So that's it. This is the end result. Once it dries, it'll set in more, so you wouldn't really see the spots. I don't know if you can see it here, but once it dries, the top just absorbs everything, and once it absorbs everything will be good and good to go, and you have a brand new looking top, even if you have like 5-6 tears on it. Like, it doesn't even matter. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put this in the link in the description. You can go pick it up at your local Dollar Tree store. I don't know if they have it at, you know, the Dollar Generals or whatever, but these are really, really good, and I really recommend it for anything interior wise, but especially for this, it saves you a lot of money. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and like, and have a nice day. Who?
Dude.
Wait, what happened?
Dude fought him, bro.
Who fought? Who? You good, bro? What happened?
Yes.
He hit him first. The dude started with him, bro. He punched him.
I know about the wreckage shit, bro.
Yeah, we found like a ship, bro. We don't fuck him up. Yeah, dude.
Wait, it was right here?
It was literally right here, bro.